What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about something that a subscriber actually asked me to talk about, and that is my honest opinion on the 4-cylinder Mustangs, the EcoBoost. Now, this is going to be my honest opinion, so I hope I don't hurt too many people's feelings if it wasn't really what you thought it would be. Now, first I want to say these cars are definitely not lacking in power. They have 310 horsepower, and they can definitely get up and go. I've raced a few in my car, and depending on who gets the hit, and the EcoBoost actually beat me one time. Granted, my car is pretty much a full bolt-on Mustang, 2012 Mustang GT, so the fact that 2018 EcoBoost with 10-speed beat me, I was surprised, very, very surprised. Not that my car's crazy fast or anything, but it's a V8 and this is a 4-cylinder. 4-cylinder, it's a turbocharged 4-cylinder, but the fact that it was able to compete with me, it blows my mind. Next thing I want to talk about is the styling, and honestly I'm not let down there either, because back in the day, the old V6 Mustangs, they look night and day different compared to the GT Mustangs. When you compare the 4-cylinder to the GT, they look similar, but they do have their subtle differences that set the V8 definitely apart from the 4-cylinder, but the 4-cylinder doesn't look unattractive compared to the GT. So the great thing is that you get a quick, good-looking Mustang for relatively cheap. I'm seeing some 2015, 2016 EcoBoosts go for about $16,000, $17,000, and those are the premiums. So you get nice leather interior, nice audio, you have a quick car. It's a heck of a deal for what you can get it for. Now, the EcoBoost is a great car, but at the end of the day, it still is a 4-cylinder, so the one major thing that I really don't like that it is going to miss is that classic V8 rumble. It's never going to have that true V8 sound. I mean, it's going to have a 4-cylinder sound. You could make it even have a cool 4-cylinder sound, but it'll never have a V8 sound. So if you're one of those guys who, you beefed up your Mustang, your 4-cylinder Mustang, put a blow-off valve on there, put some flow masters on there, made it sound genuinely good, maybe even put some short tube headers. I mean, if you've done that and you've improved the sound, it sounds good for a 4-cylinder. Don't compare it to a V8 because you can't put them in the same playing field. And yes, I know you can get an 11 to 14 Coyote for about the same amount, but this is a newer car we're talking about, and it has newer technology. It's turbocharged, and it has great gas mileage, and hey, if you want to get lower insurance rates, this is the way to go. And I'll be honest, this would make a great first car for somebody who really wants a Mustang. Like me, I was dying to have a Mustang for my first car, so I got a 2005 V6 Mustang. It was a mineral gray premium. It had the leather seats, the Shaker 1000 audio system, which was absolutely insane. That thing kicked really, really hard. I had a Shelby GT 500 hood, GT front end, or GT front bumper, and then GT wheels, so it looked different and I really liked it. I learned so much about cars working on that car. I learned how to change my oil on that car. I mean, I know that's just changing oil, but I changed the tie rod ends, changing all kinds of stuff on that car, from the cold air intake, throttle body, all kinds of stuff. And it's a great car for first-time drivers. It'll allow them to get used to a little bit of horsepower, and then one day when they want to get the big dog V8 or whatever they want to get, they'll be able to, have a little bit of experience with a little bit of power. Because like I said, I raced a 2018 Mustang EcoBoost with a 10-speed transmission, and it almost got me. Well, it did get me when it got the hit, but when it's nose on nose and we accelerate at the same time, I do nose out. But still, that's insane that he's able to catch up with me. But guys, that's all I have for the EcoBoost Mustang, so if I missed anything, leave it down in the comments, and let me know what y'all think about the EcoBoost, if it's worth it or not, or if you should just avoid it altogether. Well guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.